2005 Honda Pilot and inside 345 EX. How to replace new alternator. First time you remove the negative battery cable and remove the driver belt. Remove the receiver tank power steering ring. Remove the cable battery. And remove the on top the bolt, this bolt, the bottom bolt, this one, and keep the tensioner. Remove the alternator from here. Remove the alternator. Old alternator. New alternator. You check the make sure. And install the new alternator. And tightening this bolt here and bottom the bolt. This bolt. Tightening bolt and bolt. And the connect and the cable receiver tank. Put the driver belt. Thank you watching video. If you like, you subscribe for me. Thank you. I'm appreciate when you subscribe for me. Thank you. Next time I put the video.